Hey everybody, I'm out here on the single track today. A little urban single track ride on my new bike. It's the Salsa Blackborrow. It's a mid-tail cargo bike, and it's a fat bike. Right now it comes with the Dillinger 4 from 45 North tire without studs in it. I've got them about, I don't know, 12, 13 psi. It's probably too much, but it feels pretty good. I had a little bit more in there, and I just let about 4 seconds of air out of each tire. It's kind of like my first big ride on it. Got the chili pepper. I had a dropper post put on so we can lower the seat down. I might do that for you just so you can see how low it goes. It's got the 1x12 drivetrain with a 30 tooth front sprocket and 10 through 50 rear cassette. Seems pretty strong. Carbon fiber fork, aluminum frame. This one's a medium. It says it's for 5'9" to 6 foot, and I'm about 5'8", and it fits me okay. I put Brooks C17 saddle from my exercise bike on there, and got a bigger Brooks saddle for my exercise bike because I sit more upright on that than mountain bike. So this is kind of like a do what you want with it kind of bike packing, commuting. It's a pretty nice kit. So dropper post, you push the button and you can lower the seat down, release the button, and it stops. So you can get the seat all the way down out of the way for getting on and off when it's loaded, or setting it up for different size riders. They can basically get their inseam length the way that they want, and push the button and it'll come up and stop wherever you let go of the switch. So that's pretty cool. I'll put it on its side over here so you can see the drivetrain. There's the 30 tooth front and big old cassette, 12 different gears from 10 to 50. The tires are pretty comfy. I mean, I didn't really know what to expect. I haven't ridden a fat bike before, so it basically feels like anything that's under the tires feels the same. Whether you're rolling through beauty bark or grass, wet grass, deep grass, rocks, sand, you just get more flotation and some cushion. So, hey, hope you enjoy riding your bike. It's just so much closer to come to a place to ride a bicycle than it is to go ride a dirt bike. So get good exercise and have a lot of fun doing it. Anyway, talk to you later.